Question number 1. Deficiency of vitamin A causes. The right answer is option C, night blindness. Question number 2. Vitamin B1 is also known as. The right answer is option C, thiamine. Question number 3. Deficiency of vitamin C causes. The right answer is option B, scurvy. Question number 4. Vitamin D deficiency leads to. The right answer is option A, rickets. Question number 5. Vitamin K helps in. The right answer is option C, blood clotting. Question number 6. Vitamin B12 is also known as. The right answer is option C, cyanocobalamin. Question number 7. Source of vitamin A is. The right answer is option A, green leaf vegetable. Question number 8. Vitamin E act as a. The right answer is option B, antioxidant. Question number 9. Deficiency of niacin causes. The right answer is option B, pellagra. Question number 10. Vitamin D is also called. The right answer is option A, calciferol. Question number 11. Vitamin K deficiency causes. The right answer is option A, delayed clotting. Question number 12. Vitamin C is also known as. The right answer is option B, ascorbic acid. Question number 13. Vitamin B2 is known as. The right answer is option A, riboflavin. Question number 14. Deficiency of vitamin B6 causes. The right answer is option A, dermatitis. Question number 15. Rich source of vitamin K. The right answer is option A, green leaf vegetables. Question number 16. Vitamin A is important for. The right answer is option B, vision. Question number 17. Vitamin D helps in absorption of. The right answer is option B, calcium. Question number 18. Vitamin E deficiency causes. The right answer is option B, muscle weakness. Question number 19. Which vitamin prevent neural tube defects? The right answer is option B, folic acid. Question number 20. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes. The right answer is option A, megaloblastic anemia. Question number 21. Vitamin B9 is also known as. The right answer is option A, folic acid. Question number 22. Vitamin K is synthesized in. The right answer is option B, intestine. Question number 23. Vitamin C helps in. The right answer is option A, collagen formation. Question number 24. Vitamin A is also called. The right answer is option B, retinol. Question number 25. The richest source of vitamin C is. The right answer is option A, orange. Question number 26. Vitamin E deficiency in newborn causes. The right answer is option A, hemolytic anemia. Question number 27. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes. The right answer is option A, beriberi. Question number 28. Vitamin B2 deficiency causes. The right answer is option A, chalcosis. Question number 29. Vitamin B3 deficiency leads to. The right answer is option A, plague. Question number 30. Vitamin K is a. The right answer is option A, fat soluble vitamin. Question number 31. Vitamin C is destroyed by. The right answer is option A, heat. Question number 32. Vitamin B12 is mainly found in. The right answer is option A, meat and milk. Question number 33. Vitamin D is synthesized in skin by. The right answer is option A, sunlight. Question number 34. Lack of vitamin A in children causes. The right answer is option A, xerophthalmia. Question number 35. Vitamin E is also known as. The right answer is option A, tocopherol. Question number 36. Vitamin C helps in absorption of. The right answer is option B, iron. Question number 37. Which vitamin prevents scurvy? The right answer is option A, vitamin C. Question number 38. Vitamin B complex deficiency leads to. The right answer is option A, bursitis. Question number 39. Vitamin B6 is required for. The right answer is option A, protein metabolism. Question number 40. Vitamin A deficiency mainly affects. The right answer is option A, eye. Question number 41. Vitamin E helps in. The right answer is option A, tissue repair. Question number 42. Vitamin K deficiency may leads to. The right answer is option A, hemorrhage. Question number 43. Vitamin D deficiency in adult causes. The right answer is option A, osteomalacia. Question number 44. Vitamin C rich food is. The right answer is option A, amla. Question number 45. Vitamin A deficiency result in. The right answer is option A, keratomalacia. Question number 46. Vitamin D helps in maintaining. The right answer is option A, bone strength. Question number 47. Vitamin E deficiency causes. The right answer is option A, sterility. Question number 48. Vitamin K is required for synthesis of. The right answer is option A, prothrombin. Question number 49. Vitamin A prevents. The right answer is option A, night blindness. Question number 50. Fat soluble vitamin included. The right answer is option A, D, E, K.